Now, a political row has erupted over CM Uddhav Thakrae's statements over the Karnataka-Maharashtra border row. Thackeray on Sunday had said that his government is committed towards incorporating into the state areas of Karnataka where Marathi-speaking people are in majority. Responding to Chief Minister Uddhav Thakrae's comments, Karnataka Minister S. Suresh Kumar has hit back, advising him to concentrate on preventing COVID and focusing on development activities in Maharashtra. Maharashtra had in fact claimed that Belagavi and some other areas which was part of the erstwhile Bombay presidency was currently in Karnataka have to be included on linguistic grounds. In fact, in Karnataka's Belagavi, pro-Kannada activists protested against the Maharashtra Chief Minister over his comments. I'm joined by my colleague Shrija, who's been tracking all this. Shrija, so it's a war of words which has broken out between Maharashtra and Karnataka that we can see. How is this connected, do you feel, with regard to the political developments in Karnataka? Is it related to a local body polls that we can see? Or why is it that the border row has suddenly sparked tension in the area?
Well, it was just since yesterday we understand the Kannada pro-activists, they took to streets and also in fact condemning the entire statement made by Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray. And just this morning, at least about half an hour ago, we also saw Chief Minister of the state, Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, also slammed CM Uddhav Thackeray by saying that this was not really the way where he wanted to in fact spark a row, especially in the border. We understand the statement made by Uddhav Thackeray, where also Water Resources Minister Ramesh Jarkiholi, he has also slammed his statements by saying that Karnataka will not be giving an inch of land to Maharashtra. In fact, we have several Marathi people living in the areas, especially in the border of Karnataka. There is no such animosity in here in the state, and it is Uddhav Thackeray who's trying to create that kind of hostility. Now, this has also been spoken by the Chief Minister of the state. Even now as we speak, we understand that this entire statement made by Uddhav Thackeray has sparked a row. We're also continuing to look at this point in time where Kannada activists, pro-Kannada activists have taken to streets, also saying that Kannada-speaking people also live in the border. They are in fact living amicably with also Marathi-speaking people, and it is Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray is trying to instigate and also spark a row. And of course, what I also hear from the sources is that it is as of now nothing to really do with the local body elections. It is only after Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray made this entire statement, a controversial statement, protest has broken out in the borders, especially of Karnataka.
That's right. In fact, what we can see, Shrija, that Amit Shah had also in fact been in Karnataka yesterday. He was in Belagavi. You know, the fact being that there is, of course, we have seen tension between centre and states, Maharashtra and the centre also several times. Is there also some, you know, in a way repercussion, or do you feel that, as we said, that there's, of course, timing involved in these political war of words? What is it that you can give in terms of the perspective as to why we are seeing this sort of you know, a tit for tat in terms of what Uddhav had to say and what this Karnataka minister had to say coming at this point in time?
Well, with regard to Home Minister Amit Shah visiting especially the borders as well, remember we did once again see where especially farmers were staging a protest, and this is with regard to the farm laws. And of course, it's been over a couple of months where we understand several of the farmers living in the borders of Karnataka and also in the North Karnataka districts, they have been lending support to all the farmers who are staging protests in Delhi as well. So once again, once we saw Amit Shah landing right here, we once again saw where the farmers taking out in protest, but that on one hand. But today what we are looking at is a different kind of a story where especially Maharashtra and Karnataka row is nothing new. It's been going on for quite a long time. And once again, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has slammed Uddhav Thackeray by saying that the Mahajan report has already been accepted. There's nothing new in it. And he also went on to say that he's only trying to instigate people for protests, and this should not be done. He also goes on to say he condemns Uddhav Thackeray's statement.
Right, Shrija, thank you so much for joining us with that. Time for us to slip into a short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.